Hello guys, good day. So mo ni karon ang akong apps nga Google Maps. So makita ni ani nga natas Manila ron kay mo ni ang default nga location nga gihatag ni ma'am nga code. Then kung kaning search location ani sa mag-search kung asa ta nga kanang ganahan i-search nga lugar. Then kaning mapsat mo ni siya ang kung normal map or satellite map. So tuplokon na siya mauna siya ang satellite. Then balik. Then kaning plus ug kaning minus mo ni siya ang mag-zoom in or mag-zoom out ka sa map nimo. Then kung tuplokon ning my location, mo ni siya ang imong current nga location kung asa ka nagpundo ron. So kung tuplokon nga di ako Balilihan, Mount Carmel. Then answer na ta sa 8 questions nga gihatag ni ma'am. Question number 1. What is the difference between axis file location and axis course location? The difference between axis file location and axis course location is the axis file location gives a precise location using GPS, while axis course location gives an approximate location using Wi-Fi or cell towers. Number 2. Why do we need to request permissions at runtime? We request permission at runtime to protect user privacy and let users choose which permissions to allow while the app is running. Number 3. What is Fuse Location Provider Client and why use it? The Fuse Location Provider Client is a Google API that provides location from GPS, Wi-Fi, and networks. It's more accurate, saves battery, and easier to use than the old location manager. 4. How do you add a marker on Google Maps? To add a marker on Google Maps, use Google Map that add marker, open and close parentheses, with a LNG location, then move the camera using camera update factory that new LNG zoom, close and open. 5. What is LNG and what does it represent? LNG stands for latitude and longitude. It represents a specific point on the map. Number 6. How do you move the camera to a specific location? To move the camera to a location, use move camera, open or close, or camera update factory that new LNG zoom to focus the map view. Number 7. What happens if location permission is denied? If the location permission is denied, the app can't access the user's location and some location-based features won't work properly. 8. How do you enable zoom controls on the map? To enable zoom controls, call Google Map that get UI settings that set zoom controls enabled. This adds zoom button on the map. So, mo to guys, mo to ang awang explanation sa tanang questions.